Did you wake up this morning to the sound of what almost seemed like small hail? Well, it turned out to be tiny spheres of ice, an interesting phenomenon known as graupel. We don't see that too often. Let's see what Hutch has to say about it in our weather. Hutch?
Oh, Andrea, I got to tell you, it was kind of a surprise because, yes, I heard the same thing. Pouncing off the windows, sounded kind of noisy for rain. Looked outside and I saw that graupel making its way through. Now, it's like a snow pellet. You can grab them and squish them. When you step on them, it kind of sounds funny out there, and it can make streets slippery. Thanks so much for uploading, Robin, your view of the Fargo area as the graupel moved through. It didn't last long, though. Once the sun did manage to make its way out, it melted that off fairly quickly. We do have some showers of snow and even rain in the western and central part of the Dakotas, but for us, very quiet conditions heading into our evening. Now, it's been a breezy day, particularly in our eastern counties, but the winds out there starting to taper off a little bit, still a little gusty down near Alexandria, over 20 miles per hour. Right now, some sunshine in Fargo and 30 gorgeous degrees as we're waiting for that sun to set there, with a 5-mile-per-hour wind out of the north-northwest. Temperatures are coolest in the far north, where Langdon, you're at 21, 24 in Bemidji for Babe the Blue Ox, 32 in Gwinner and in Jamestown. All in all, we're cooling off a little bit tonight, and that trend will continue as we head toward the 10 o'clock hour. Some of us in the eastern counties, because of these clear skies and decreasing winds, will see low teens already. Then overnight, quiet weather for most. A little hiccup makes its way through the James River Valley. So if you're in places like Medina, Cleveland, down towards Lemoore and Ellendale, a chance for a shot of flaky weather. Other than that, we'll start our day off with temperatures of 15 to 20 degrees across most of eastern North Dakota. But look at this, some single-digit readings for your morning in central Minnesota. Grab the jacket, and then by midday, temperatures start going up. But boy, I got to tell you, you're going to feel that wind blowing out there, 15 to 25 miles per hour as we go through your lunch hour. And then the gusts get worse as we go through the afternoon, as this little weather wiggle wobbles its way along the international border. There'll be a chance for snow there. Once again, with warm temperatures down here in the Southern Valley, there'll be a chance for some sleet, freezing drizzle, and yes, maybe an area of graupel. It'll be all isolated, and any significant amounts will be along the international border, and I'm still only expecting a ½ inch to an inch there. Look at these temperatures as we look out to the west where the sun makes its way in. Harvey, Minot area, seeing near 50 degrees. For us, very windy even into the evening hours, with the precipitation on and off, hit and miss through the afternoon and evening hours. And that's your Wednesday at a glance. In Fargo, 19 to start, 27 as we ramp things up in the afternoon. Don't forget to use the extra hairspray because we also ramp the wind up. Temperatures rising into the mid-30s. The wind continues. The temperatures stabilize through our afternoon and early evening hours into these mid-30s for your drive home. There will be a legitimate shot at a 40-degree reading in Stutsman County. How about Ypsilanti? 40 degrees for you. Then as we look off to the east, temperatures in the mid-30s for Lakes Country, including in Paul Bunyan territory there in Bemidji. Gorgeous sun shot here by Tiffany. What a colorful thing. Looks like you're on the beach there, but nope. That is Comstock, Minnesota. Thank you, Tiffany. Here's a look at your planning forecast Thursday. Mid-30s, windy again, and a hiccup making its way through, mainly in the morning. Thursday afternoon through the rest of your work week looks delightful. A lot of sun, not as much wind, and we're talking temperatures rising into the 35 to 40 degree range as we cap off our work week. Then we're going to highlight this weekend for you because it looks superb on Saturday. With a temperature of 44 degrees, we will be melting some significant snowpack, or at least ripening it, getting it ready to melt. A little hiccup works its way through on Sunday after we spring our clocks forward.
There we go. Thanks,
Don't forget that.
No, we won't forget. Thank you.